What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. So yesterday's video, I mentioned something was about to happen with Baby Doge, and that same thing that I mentioned yesterday is exactly what happened today. So now we're going to talk about what happened throughout the night and also what's about to happen next with Baby Doge. So definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next if you want to become a member of the channel. Definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto the members want me to go over next, as long as it's not some kind of scam coin. And remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. You definitely want to get you a hardware wallet. Check out the link in my description for the Ledger. It is an affiliate link. And also, if you want to help support the channel a little bit more, then this video is sponsored by marcellus.beatstars.com if you want background music for your YouTube videos or just for your music. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So let's talk about this. So yesterday I mentioned Baby Doge was actually about to go on a downtrend. I mentioned that we're about to hit that 1250 support, and now look, we're at 1249. We are actually 1 point below it. But yeah, look, I mentioned that we're about to go ahead and break out of this area because yesterday we were actually literally right here. We weren't even out of the trend line. We were literally on the trend line. And then as I was making the video, after I dropped it, it starts to go down. And yeah, as you can see, this is exactly what happened. I knew it was going to happen because look, this is our whole consolidation phase right here. And pretty much, let me take off these indicators really quick. With this consolidation, it pretty much either at the end, we're going to pump huge out of it on the upside or huge down on the downside. And as you can see here, we had a really big red candlestick. So that went on the downside. Now, I mentioned in my previous videos that usually when this happens, we typically break out of our consolidation on the downside, right? And then what happens is we hit that support. And look, when we hit that support, we end up building momentum because people see that as a buy the dip opportunity. So we end up hitting this support down here at 1250, and then that builds momentum. And that momentum is what helps us get up to our next resistance. So if this were to be true, then Baby Doge would go from 1250 all the way back up to the next resistance, which is around 1800, or well, really it's around 1600. And then we have minor resistance around 18, and then the major resistance all the way up here at 2300 at our Fibonacci retracement. But literally, we don't need to worry about any of that right now. What we need to worry about is our supports. So in yesterday's video, I also mentioned, like, if we continue to go on this downward, on this downward downtrend, then what we're going to see next is these support lines. So if we break 1250 support and go down lower, what's going to happen next? Baby Doge is going to end up hitting the 1100 support here, and then we have the 9Z9 support here, and then we have that 9Z8, and then we have 9Z7 all the way down there. So that's what's going to happen if Baby Doge keeps going down. But look right here, we're still bullish by 60%. So the 24-hour market control is still in control by the bulls by 60%. So that still kind of shows that we have the potential to go back on the upside here with Baby Doge. We still have that potential to become bullish here. But you can even see on the oscillator, there's a lot of selling here. If you look at all of our previous selling periods on the oscillator, you can see that they typically last for a good amount of time. This selling pattern over here lasted from about the 22nd of April all the way up here until they say the 20th of May, but really the selling kind of stopped around here, which was the 12th of May. So the 22nd of April all the way to the 12th of May, we were selling the whole time with Baby Doge. It was just selling off. So right now, what we're seeing, we actually started this new selling period all the way up here at the 1st of July. So on the 1st of July, we had the selling starting here with Baby Doge, and then it starts to sell, and now we're still selling off, and this is the 11th of July. So if we're looking at what we had, previously in the past, then what we could have happen next here with Baby Doge will more than likely be a 2 to 3 week selling period, possibly even a whole month of selling with Baby Doge. I don't want to see it sell off for the whole month, but it definitely looks like we're probably going to end up seeing some more selling coming in for Baby Doge if we do not become bullish. If we do not, do what I mentioned earlier yesterday, and I mentioned, look, we hit the support. Typically, we hit the support after our consolidation, and we break out on the downside, and then we have a pump once we build that momentum. But what it is looking like right now is the selling is taking over. So that's what we're just looking at now. But we'll see inside the near future. I'll definitely keep you all updated on this. But anyways, looking at the 15M chart, this is more short term. If you want to know what Baby Doge is up to short term, look, we've been selling out all the way since up here at the 1350 area, and now we're at 1250. Now look, we've been oh wow, now we just now actually broke the support here. But look, if we continue to sell off here with baby doge, then this is going to be really bad. But look, if we do not, this is a good area of reversal here, and this is major support. So I'm really expecting baby doge to have a reversal up here to where this huge red candlestick was. And look, this is a really big red candlestick. That was a lot of selling, but it kind of indicates that this right here is going to be our support, or no, our resistance, because it was some support. And the second we went below that, it went down huge. So look, we may actually see baby doge going back up to that 1800 area, or not 1800. I mean 12.9, or not 12.9, but 8Z129, whatever you want to say. 8 zeros and then 129. But anyways, this is a possibility for baby doge. It's a possibility for us to go back up there. But anyways, like I said, I'm not really looking at baby doge to be incredibly bullish right now in the short term. In the long term, obviously, we're going to be bullish. But in the short term, I'm really not looking for major, buying right now with baby doge. I'm just kind of looking at things to sell off in the crypto market right now. And you can see the whole crypto market is selling off. It's not just baby doge. So don't act like it's just baby doge. Ethereum is almost below $1,000 again. Bitcoin dropped below 20K. Bitcoin's actually at 19.8K, 19.9K. And this isn't updated right here on CoinGecko. But yeah, Bitcoin's at 19.9K right now. So we're seeing a lot of selling in the crypto market. Baby Doge is also selling off a good amount right now too. And yeah, everything's pretty much down. We got Baby Doge down 8.2%, 8.5. We got Bitcoin down huge. And as you can see, it's also reflecting inside of our burns because we're also burning a lot more coins since there's a lot of people selling. And yeah, as you can see, 12.39K burned in the last 24 hours, 12.39K, which is 9.3 or 9.73 trillion Baby Doge burned. That's pretty good. In the last 7 days, we burned 73.76 trillion Baby Doge, which is 93.99K. That's huge. I wish that was inside my pocket right now. But yeah, that's pretty good that we continue to burn, 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 and burn. Now, like I said, this is pretty much all I have for the baby dose technical. Now let's talk about Bitcoin though. So Bitcoin kind of has something similar. Like you see this steep sell-off that just now happened in Baby Doge. Well, yeah, you see that same steep sell-off that just now happened inside of Bitcoin. So just like Baby Doge just now, had that steep sell-off, Bitcoin just now had the same thing. So look, Bitcoin's on the other hand kind of hit that resistance up here, and that was that 20.6K resistance, got rejected and continued to break down. Now, I mentioned Bitcoin in my previous video, and I talked about how it was about to go down. I was like, look, we are going down to this next support, and it was at 20.7K. I was like, look, after this support, what's going to come next is these supports, and we ended up going down to those supports, and then we ended up breaking them as well. So now you see that the support lines just keep getting broken, broken, and broken. So a lot of people are asking, when is this going to stop? When is all of this selling going to stop inside of the crypto market? So I kind of want to show what I believe will be the end of the selling. Now, look, we are coming off of an oversold area. On the oscillator, you can see it says oversold. And whenever you see it saying oversold on the oscillator, that means buying is about to come, because when it's oversold, people see that buy the dip opportunity and they buy it. And then when they buy it, that's going to shoot the price up. So as you can see, it's oversold. People are about to start buying in. And the same thing goes for Baby Doge. It just doesn't show on Baby Doge because there's not enough volume in Baby Doge to show it on the oscillator. So it just doesn't show that for my indicators. But still, Baby Doge is about to have some buying coming in. Like I said, we're about to, raise back up here to 12.9, 12.9. I don't know why I keep saying 12.9. It's 8Z9 or 8Z129. But yeah, we're going to end up going and raising back up to this level here. So definitely expect that with Baby Doge and expect Bitcoin to do the same thing. Now, Bitcoin's is probably going to end up stopping here at the top of or at the bottom of this support. And that is about 20.3K. So expect Bitcoin to go up about $300 more before it gets rejected again and continues to go down. So that's what we're going to see here in the short term for Bitcoin and Baby Doge. So also, if you want to know about Bitcoin long term, we're still inside this huge oversold area. And look, I always talk about this. The green areas are supply and demand of more demand. The red areas, supply and demand of less demand. Notice how we just now went from green to red. We had more demand and we were pumping and going up when it was more demand. And then we start going down and we hit this area here, and now we're building this red area. So now there's less demand. You also see over here, it's oversold. We're going to see some selling happening, probably stopping around, either where we're at now and then trying to, regain our market, our market share, I guess you want to say, or we're just going to continue to go down to that next support. But anyways, like I said, it's all in the market. Like whatever people are going to do, you just got to sit back and you just got to let it happen. But I'm going to continue to bring you more and more information every single day about Baby Doge and about the whole overall crypto market, so you know when's the best time to get in and get out. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to go ahead and become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next, as long as it's not some kind of scam coin. And also, if you don't have a hardware wallet, you definitely want to go ahead and get one. You know what happened to Voyager. So definitely check out the link in the description for the Ledger Nano X or the S, whatever one floats your boat. And also, if you want to help support the channel, remember this video is sponsored by marcellus.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.